This AI creates a digital human version of anyone, speaking any language, any accent, looking completely real. 3 free videos a month, starting now. Micro expressions. Blink physics, skin that scatters light like real tissue, phoneme-level lip sync. Avatar 4 does not look like AI, it looks like Tuesday morning on a Zoom call. Record 1 video in English. HeyGen will translate it into 175 languages. It will perfectly lip sync your avatar. A free plan is included.
3 videos per month. That's the free plan. That's enough to see if HeyGen will change your life. Learn the difference before you start.
The best quality avatars in the world. 3 free videos. Try the trial version to see how effective it is. Then invest $29. 50,000 enterprise teams, a significant portion of the Fortune 100. 1 platform. Synthesia is not a creator tool, it is corporate infrastructure. 125 avatars. Slides integration. No other free avatar creation tool comes with a comprehensive suite of solutions for corporate compliance. 3 minutes a month. 36 minutes a year with the free plan. That's enough time to test the world's most powerful platform for creating corporate avatars. Use your 3 free minutes to create 1 template. Share it with whoever controls your budget. Calculations will do the rest. The lowest free storage in this review. The highest enterprise compliance score in this review. It's the infrastructure. 3 minutes proves it. DID. Founded in Tel Aviv in 2017, research began with protecting faces from recognition. 14 days free, no credit card required. Upload a photo of your grandmother, a picturesque portrait, a face that never existed. DID makes them all talk. 14 days free. A single 14-day period begins upon registration. 3 minutes of video are included. Every hour you wait is a lost credit. Get started today. DID Digital Agents. These are avatars capable of thought. Your digital face will answer your questions. The trial version includes this feature.
The best photo animation available. The trial period includes real-time AI interaction. The 14-day countdown begins from the moment you decide to try it.
Hedra's Character 3 processes photos, audio, and text simultaneously. This difference ultimately changes everything. Get 100 free credits.
Same face, same script. Pipeline model gives you words. Character 3 gives you a person. That is the only difference that matters.
100 credits monthly. That is 15 seconds of video maximum. Use short clips. Use every credit. Never waste one on a test.
15 seconds. 100 credits are precisely distributed. Thanks to the Character 3 image quality, 5 seconds here exceed 5 minutes in other cases.
The highest quality facial expressions in this review. Minimum free viewing time. 15 seconds in Character 3 is better than 5 minutes in any other version.
No credits, no trial, no watermark, no account, no cost, ever. LivePortrait is open source, MIT license, just free, permanently.
Research-grade portrait animation, 0 cost, 0 watermark, running in your browser right now. The quality benchmark will surprise you.
SciS tools give you access. Open source gives you ownership. MIT license means you sell the outputs. Nobody can take this tool away, ever. No lip sync built in, no voice generator included. Add 11 Labs free tier. Total pipeline cost, 0. Total watermarks, 0. Full commercial rights.
5 twos. $0 total. Your avatar empire starts today. The only question is which tool you open first.
All 5 tools. Every link. Pinned comment below. Free. Go build the avatar nobody has seen yet.